If you want to add widgets to the lock screen on Google Pixel 11, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Here in Settings, you should be able to find Wallpaper and Style. So let's go here. Make sure that you have the preview of the lock screen and swipe up to reveal this section. And go to More Lock Screen Settings. You want to enable widgets on the lock screen. This is actually disabled by default, so we need to turn it on. Now we can lock our phone and go to the lock screen. Swipe from the right side of the phone to the left side like this in order to go to the section for widgets. And of course, you can actually have multiple different widget pages, so you can keep adding more and more widgets if you want to. But if you want to start customizing these widgets, you can press and hold your finger pretty much anywhere. So let's say I'm going to press and hold my finger in here and enter your password to continue. Now here we have all of these different widgets. I guess by default we have only these widgets here. You can grab by these circles in order to extend the size of a widget, as long as it is possible to resize a widget, of course. You can also press and hold your finger to drag a widget around, so you can, for example, change its position to move it up a little bit. And if you select any of these widgets, then you have the option to remove it. So we're going to tap on Remove to, of course, remove this widget here. But now if you want to add a widget, you can just use Add Widget here in the upper left corner if nothing is selected. And then we have a couple of featured widgets that you can, of course, add straight away. But you can also go to Browse and you can use pretty much any app that allows you to use their widgets. So let's say I'm going to go to Spotify, and let's say I want to add this widget here, so I can press and hold my finger, and then I can drag and drop it anywhere I want it to be. And then we should be able to use that widget. Let's say I'm going to add another one, and I'm just going to use maybe this YouTube search. So I can just go to the next page, for example, and I can drop it in here. Actually, it was added to this first page, but we should be able to adjust the position nevertheless. So let's say we can move this around, hopefully. As you can see, it doesn't really work that well, at least in the case of changing the position. It's not really that intuitive at first, sadly, but I assume it's going to be improved later on. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.